Hello, welcome back to Sleep with Barbecue. Today we're going to do a review on some barbecue sauce that one of our fellow barbecuers within our community on YouTube, barbecue community on YouTube, has come out with a sauce. His channel is Mile High Guy BBQ. Mile High Guy BBQ. His name is Scott. He has a line of barbecue sauces, and I've seen some other people do reviews on them. I actually saw one guy, it's about 2 hours south of me, Scruggs. He did a review on it probably 2 months back, and I was like, really? I had no idea. So I reached out to Scott and purchased a couple bottles from his Etsy account. They're pretty reasonable. It's like $10 a piece. Got 2 bottles shipped to me for $30. $10 a piece for the bottles, and then $10 for shipping. So very reasonable. I've already cracked the lids on them because I just couldn't wait to see what they tasted like. By the way, if you hear some noise, it's because I have the AC running and it clicked on. It's right here beside me, but gots to have it, especially when we're dealing with raw food out here today with the heat temperatures we have. And so anyway, back to what we were talking about. So we're going to do a review on them. We're going to do chicken wings on the Weber kettle with the Vortex attachment in it. The first Reaper, duh, that's a blooper. The first sauce we're going to use is called Sweet Reaper. If I can figure out how to hold this thing. It's called Sweet Reaper. Good stuff, it's got a kick to it. This is the one that I really mainly wanted because I thought this would be something that I would probably prefer over all of them that I saw, and it's called Jalapeno and Honey. Jalapeno and Honey. Let me see if I can get that in the camera. Mile High Guy BBQ, Scott. That's also good. As I said, I taste them. And then the other one is a Sweet Reaper. It's a Reaper peppers. So let me bring you around and turn the camera around and start prepping these wings for our cook. We'll bring it right back. Alright, these are our wings, pretty nice sized wings. You know, I bought these from a local little country store. By 10 wings I paid $13.32. You know, we at the Sleeper household try to support small companies as much as we can. This place just recently opened up not too long ago called Wright's Market in Charlotte Hall, Maryland. But nice wings. They've already been salted down with kosher salt. I still have a dirty hand from throwing them in this pan here, but we're going to season up with Uncle Steve's Competition Bird Shake. While we're waiting for those coals to finish heating up on the Weber kettle. As I said earlier, we'll be using the Vortex attachment on the Weber, so they should turn out pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to have to apologize for street noise. It's a holiday weekend. The beaches and all the water is just over the hill to the left of me right now, about maybe a mile away. But anyhow, there's going to be a lot of traffic in and out of here. We've got the Weber going. I just had to add a couple more briquettes in there. I was running my mouth, actually texting Mr. Russ Jones. But there's these wings. We're going to go ahead and get these things placed on here. Quickly top these off. Purdy them up and get that lid closed before I lose control of my fire. We are burning pecan wood. As if you know me, that's just what I burn, pecan, hickory, or apple. But 95% of the time, it's going to be pecan. Well, bring it back. I ain't nowhere near ready yet, but man, that is a pretty sight. Look at all that smoke rolling off there. And the smell, oh my gosh. Purdy. All right, I pretty much got them all turned the way I want. So this side over here, the 5 wings are going to be jalapeno and honey. And we will be basting these a couple times, at least. Man, that smoke is killing me. When I said that this sauce from Scott is $10 a jar, or bottle rather, I neglected to say that it is a 20-ounce bottle. So it's a good amount of sauce. All right, then this other side is going to be Sweet Reaper. Clean brush. All right, let me get this lid closed up, calm this fire down, and we'll bring you back. All right, I do believe we are ready. Oh my God, talk about candied. $201, $202. 202. All right, there you have it. Front row is the jalapeno honey, and the back row is the Sweet Reaper. I mean to tell you, these wings look absolutely excellent. I'm letting them cool down a little bit. Letting that barbecue sauce top on them. All right, let's try this first wing. The first wing from Mile High Guy BBQ, Scott. He is part of the barbecue community. This man is a supporter, and I hope you do the same for him. So the first wing I'm going to try is the Sweet Reaper. I know this is going to be hot. I've already had it out the jar. I say that wing looks good. Still moist. Finger licking good. Oh my God. Love the sauce. You gotta get this bite. Scott, my friend, I'll tell you what. Woo! It's got a bite, but daggone it got a taste. That was the Sweet Reaper. Excellent. Now we're going to go in for the jalapeno honey. See what kind of bite we get. Oh my. Scott, you're onto something here, buddy. I'm telling you. If you people don't believe me, please try it yourself. $10 a bottle, you can't go wrong. Oh my God, that is so good. I can't end the video without tasting one of Mrs. Sleeper's jalapeno relish deviled eggs. All right, Scott, buddy. Mile High Guy BBQ. YouTube channel within the barbecue community. Great guy, great supporter. Scott, man, I gotta tell you, you're onto something. That sauce is out of this world. We, as in Mr. Sleeper and I, probably prefer the jalapeno honey over the Sweet Reaper because we both, I guess, our tongues are we have sissy tongues. The Sweet Reaper is great. You know, I would definitely be using the rest of that bottle, but if it was me and I had a preference, the jalapeno honey would have been great. If you like something that has a lot of flavor to it and has a lot of kick to it, the Sweet Reaper is yours. If you enjoy something that is hot, still has flavor but not real hot, the jalapeno honey is for you. But they're both excellent. Neither one of them are so hot that you can't taste your protein, in this case chicken. We cooked those wings up in the Weber to 205 degrees, 203 degrees. I want that barbecue sauce to caramelize on those wings, to sort of make them candied, if you will. Excellent, worked out great. Man, it was one of those things you bite into the wing and the barbecue sauce stuck to your teeth because it was so just perfect. I can't describe it. It was just perfect all over your fingers. You're licking your fingers. Excellent stuff. So check out Scott with Mile High Barbecue, or Mile High Guy BBQ. He has an Etsy store. It's $10 for a 20-ounce bottle. I got 2 bottles and shipped to me with less than a week's time for $30 total. So it was $10 shipping, $10 each bottle. It's good stuff. I'm telling you, you owe it to yourself to try it. I paid for these bottles. I don't owe Scott a thing. This is my honest opinion. I would definitely be using the jalapeno honey again. I love it. The Reaper is for them days that I just feel like torturing myself a little bit more.